Welcome to the Eagles World. I am Fazil Amin Beg, and today we are here in Upper Hunza, and particularly at this point where we are standing now. This is, we could say, a kind of junction between Gulmit and Gulkin settlements. Gulmit is comprised on more or less 550 households, while Gulkin has more or less 200 households. And then different clan groups or families, they have come from different areas, such as from Central Asia or specifically from Badakhshan province of today's Afghanistan and Tajikistan. And likewise, some of the lineage or clan groups, they have come from different valleys of Gilgit Baltistan region in the northern Pakistan. So this is a short introduction about both these settlements, and we could see right now, because it is January 3rd, 2022, and the beginning of the new year, and we are here to enjoy the nature as the snowfall started on 1st of January, and it continued even yesterday, and today there is no snowfall, but I think you could see around, and then you will be observing more that how the snowfall has come down, and it has beautified the nature, in a sense, we could say. So with me here today, there are you could see the persons here with me is my daughter, younger daughter, Surush and I. Normally she's there who makes the videos for the Eagles World channel, and most of the time, rather all the time, she's behind the camera, and today she is in the camera. So and then likewise to the left there is Mr. Asrar Hussain, or likewise there is Mr. Sultan Karim from Gulkin. So both of these guys, certainly from Gulmit, and Sultan Karim is from Gulkin, and it was a coincidence to meet him and the other fellows here. And I'm particularly thankful to one of my nephews, Mr. Afzal Qasim from Gulkin, who is professionally a videographer and has his own venture or enterprise, in a sense, in digital world. He's present and then makes and captures the nature within Hunza Valley and out of Hunza Valley. So he's also expert in gems. So these are short introduction to our fellows here, whom you see in here in the camera. Thank you again, Afzal Qasim. I would like to request you to kindly show the nature around to our viewers here. So here, Asrar Azim, you could also inform us. For example, the place which is there, this is Gulmit, lower part of Gulmit, and then there is the central part of Gulmit, and I think just behind them you would see a settlement beyond the river, that is Shishkat, natively termed as Shishkat, or also as Nazimabad. That was settled during the reign of Mir Nazim Khan, a former ruler of Hunza state. And then likewise, now would request Afzal Qasim, kindly please show the mountains here. What the mountains and Asrar would be nice if you just show us, and tell us the names. What kind of mountains or glaciers or whatever they are. You just tell us. Well, show them to the audience or the viewers. Yeah. So where are we now? Right now, where is that? Where is Ondra Fort, the famous Ondra Fort?
That one is Ondra Fort.
Yeah.
In front of us.
Yeah.
And behind that, in the upper side, that mountain is called Yukshband.
Yes.
And we move to left. That one is called Chitrui.
Chitrui, all right.
Yes.
And what about Stubar Glacier and Wilkish Glacier? Is that visible from here or that is hidden?
That's hidden. Ondra Fort is, covering that.
All right. Okay, that is behind Ondra Fort. Yes. So just if you point out, Afzal Qasim, I think you could show it. Yeah, you are showing it to the viewers. And where is Gulkin now? Right now we are in the lower part of Gulkin, which is termed as Gustik Bushai, and from here onward, that starts lower part of Gulkin, and the central part or the settlements, as that is above, that is not visible from the Karakoram, because we are right now on the Karakoram Highway.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, is it so?
Yes.
Yeah. Kindly just move around and go to the northward. So because you were showing us the western part where the Chitrui and these places you showed, and what
that
are
one is the famous mountain Phasukons. Phasukons.
Phasukons.
Phasuk cathedrals, and in our language that is called we can say Tpopdan.
Tpopdan.
Yes.
Okay, and Tpopdan means where the sunlight remains for longer time. When the sun sets in other areas within this mountain valley, within this valley, but it remains for longer time. Okay, and now you carry on, yeah? Where is Goharabad?
Goharabad.
Yeah?
That one is also a part of Gulmit.
Yeah?
That land, and it's called Goharabad.
Okay, so Goharabad is there because it was named behind the village headman, Grandpa Gohar Hayat, and he was natively termed as Arbab, who was the village headman. So it was settled in that sense because the irrigation channel was built or constructed during his time. Yeah. Then, where is the Hunza River? Just show the famous Hunza River. How is its condition right now? Is it frozen, or is there water?
No, it's running water.
Running water.
Yes.
Yeah. The Hunza River is not frozen.
No.
All right. So I think you showed it. Yeah. Afzal Qasim.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Carry on. And then. Yeah. Carry on. I cannot see that. Please, you just inform. That's right.
Yeah, so this mountain is called Pulpul. We say in our language Pulpul, this mountain. And a lot of ibex are
Found there, yeah?
found there. So you can capture that.
Yeah, it was interesting. Today, I think 2 hours earlier, when we were coming from Gulmit towards this area, so you said there were some ibexes. They have come down to the Hunza River. How many were there?
I think
5?
no, I think 13, 14 ibex were there.
How is the condition there? Could you tell us, Afzal Qasim and Sultan Karim, how is the condition of ibexes there at Wolfkin? I heard that, well, there are a lot of ibexes there. They come down to the settlement, to the village. Is it okay? Is it so?
Yeah, that's right. And it's almost About 100 to 150 ibex are almost near in the agriculture part of the village,
Uh,
and they're enjoying.
wow. So did you capture that scene?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
captured them a lot.
Okay. So what about hunting by the people, the native people?
Actually, the hunting of ibex is banned right now just because of the
Conservation.
conservation, and the only the trophy hunting is allowed
How
to the
many trophy
foreigners. Or
hunting has been allowed to the Gulkin community?
this year, it's I think almost 8.
Eight.
Eight was 8 permit was given to the.
Officially allowed to the
Yes,
people.
5 out of them are national, and 3 of them are foreigners.
Okay, I heard that. Well, an American hunter has come to Gulkin today. So has he come for trophy hunting?
Yes, he has come here for the trophy hunting and the conservation of the village. The member is so around 40 to 50 inches Himalayan ibex right there for him to hunt.
All right. So how much do they pay, the foreigners?
Oh, actually, we don't really
You
know
don't know.
about that.
Okay, no problem. At this point where we are right now, we could also, see if you could show it, Afzal Qasim, because the Serena site is just near the famous Serena site. The Serena Hotel has not been yet constructed. I remember, I think it was back in 1989 or 91, something like that, when His Highness Prince Muhammad Ajayib had come to see the land when it was being purchased by them at that time. And I was so young, and many people were around, and then I myself, I had a small camera in my hand. At that time I could also see, but now I've become visually disabled, and that's why, now I cannot remember exactly, the things around. So could you kindly show the Serena site from here, if that is visible?
The little part of them are visible, but
Yeah, if you
we cannot
just show
see.
it to me. How is the condition?
Let me.
Is it full of snow there?
Yes.
Okay, so if that is done, I would like to make a comment here. Normally, what we could see, what we observe, are people from Hunza or Gilgit Baltistan, they move towards the down country, to the cities of Pakistan like Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Lahore, or particularly Karachi. Like this Siberian
Birds.
migratory birds, when they go down from Siberia to the subcontinent down here. But it is so encouraging to see how the people, they are here, and people like us, as I am based in Gilgit, but for the purpose of meeting our relatives, for the condolences, and then also enjoying, the nature, we are here. And many people are here, particularly the youth now these days. They are so much conscious to enjoy the nature. And I think you might have observed very few vehicles, they ply, or they drive on this route, because right now it's so much dangerous I forgot to mention one thing. When we were coming day before yesterday at evening time, coming up from Central Hunza towards Gulmit, before the tunnel, 3 cars had got accident because of the snowfall and the slippery Karakoram Highway. So that is what that has hampered upon the traffic as well, and that's why otherwise this route, even these days, it is also not so silent, not so quiet, because in that sense we could say, well, we are within the nature now, and nature has stopped such kind of activities of human beings. So that is why we are on the KKH, and very few vehicles we could see they go down or come towards the upper part. Ayem wacht sakin kumjain kite ayem jainung kite ustek bushaye kom cheez kite ayem yi jiravi dramertse emer skord dursh bkhanen was hemi seket kumdeki atrapalev sakwin nayo te gulmit diori trempalev yemi gulkin dioris kasar kumdki khalgist wa halaki jaiste kasar sakin hara pastu kum hisaite gulkin sakin hara ayem yi yazi kumdki lazer shmersit Tajikistan palukhanen det cheez bana lazer bkhanen so ayem kum yazi te askem yi yazi yupkse ayem kif dior gulkin was gulmiti nan rangi yem kif dior khalgist baskem zinda atra tsubaskena te arash kumurki vinita yo vita Shishkat sakhanen yor zi poki kor sak chapur biorkat and Shishkat panen nezim bod fan mir nezim khona daur yo atse yo va bod khet kabel ki maji sidrar mshet kawju khup biomers hakim butu arbo butu khair lobig arbobig waqtayt woda cha kumt kaya اول جني ديور شيء هيو اول جني واضح سنخيت كيو هدام وقتن نخيت كشيشكاتن كهاترابلوت كيوش كام سارفوز علاقش تاني هيلش تبتي غاوش بكان بروندوش بكان بروندو بارش بكان نواز چیز بكان بالت بار هات سوقت توش بالوتي هاتم بختار كنا كان يونيتم چیز غرب بكنا عيتت بي شيء يشتغل مختلف كويس تبتي لكن هذا بروتري مشهور تعريفي قديما غش قديم 40 يوم جاء انجليزي رومش كنا كيو بفتن اي شيء قلاي بتي ونونجي اندرا قلا ايام يشان دي شيء يشتغلوا مرسل تترك نفارق خريان افضل قاسم اتريتي كوم دكي هيام يشتغل هيام كويس تبعي سكشت سمنش मतलब spokum pastu gujali kitei pastu gujal kanen an Shishkat and pasu hayem hadem tumur jay shaim sakim hayem kubar wing baswezin hadem kamera zarian au pem kharian afzal qasim musafir dis bet atet palewi kum taqlai abodi tra jingal rang pusudi deiti se goharabod jaynung pop gohariotar bobig waqt hayt wod nikhit ay sobri وده بلبل في بخان مختلف جايسته وشم كتير رشم أزين أترابروت كيف ردي سوته أفضل قسم كم دكي هترابروت تيا هيا كم يكوي خشروي تيا تغام شوري بوب دان سكي كور كانن اسكاش يير زيوت ورش بوب يا مقصد بيوفيت اسكاش زيوت يير ورش كوجاش يير ويش يعني نستش لكن تراش زيوت ورش آخر بتكر انجليزي شور پاسو کون بخانن was چیز بخانن پاسو cathedrals بخانن تو ایامی تومر جای وقت ندم چیزن سے ساک کجه کوکس رذن ادم زمستون کا رکن پاس پلو آخر کا بگم اتم سے ادم زمستون زم خشروی دیر قفش شروی زوت کم سپو منطقه هم فتون هم سپو علاقه کاتنا یم سفری تمکر جمر سقدیس ون ايام وقت كنت كي فرشوم فدك تي لوب فدك فرشوم لوب فدك يعني كي شهري ابرشيم قرصير تكنن هناك ساكن هي وقت درم يعني Karakoram Highway ni vozar khanen sakin askan adremen verbeset kin kha تاين اشترت كي سكيمي تومر غفت زيوت ترافيك يو ماشين بتوكي ناست سم تسارم امزم سببا ايو وفيك بفيت كي سكيمي غفت راش ناس بيربورين ناست ايم تومر يقصايش تو هدم قتي وزش سب كوختن جوزات تلك كوخن كوم يان كان يفزمون بالكل يان بالكل سكايو جزاكم ايام كوم شيء كتير ناكر دائما نقتي وز سفن جوزات تلقم كوم خشروي طريقان اشكي ايام شيء كتير نمسبو علاقة ايام خشروي جهم زم امسك ضرور كان يمي اصل سبونان يم زم سكريوب بيدوس تزم تيوب كنش ساكن كوك زندا يم زمستان كنه هميت يعني نه بهاری دراريو خشروي گورش نه تابستان نه ترماین يم زم برکاتن ساکن کوختن زندا انسان همید چرند پرند همید حیوان همید يم یه چیز تو So before ending it up here, I would like to thank you all once again, those who have taken keen interest in watching this video. And this one of the points I would like to mention here is so that because the snowfall, which is, I would term it as our mother, because of the snow there is water, and when there is water there is life, and water is for each living thing. So here I would like to end it up, and particularly with regard to the Karakoram Highway, I would like to mention something special in English in the next video. Thank you once again to you all, and particularly to you, Afzal Qasim, for your kind facilitation and making this video for us, for the Eagles World. Thank you.